Okay, plane areas. New topic. Okay, application na tayo. Plane areas. So, example number 1, what is the area bounded by the curve x squared equals minus 9y and the line y plus 1 equals 0. Okay, so solution. So we have x squared equals minus 9y and the line y plus 1 equals 0, or y is equal to negative 1. Okay, now let's substitute negative 1 to this equation. X squared equals minus 9 times negative 1, or x squared is equal to 9. Solving for x, we have plus or minus 3. Okay, so recall lang, analytic geometry. So we have x minus h squared equals minus 4a y minus k. O, isa-isahin natin. Positive muna, no? Kung positive yan, we know that the vertex is at hk. And the parabola opens positive y. Opens positive y. Pataas. Upward, no? Ito naman yung isa. X minus h squared equals minus 4a y minus k. Vertex is at hk. And the parabola opens negative y or downward. Okay, opens negative y. Yung isa naman, we have y minus k squared equals 4a, positive, times x minus h. Vertex is at hk, and the parabola opens positive x. Okay, opens positive x. And the other one, y minus k squared equals minus 4a times x minus h. Vertex is at hk, and the parabola opens negative x. So, yun lang. Negative x. Okay, now, balik tayo dito sa problem natin, no? So, meron tayo dito, parabola, negative 9y. So, ibig sabihin, this parabola opens downward or opens negative y. Ang kailangan natin gawin is to solve for the area bounded by this curve and this line, negative 1. So, ang kailangan natin dito, para picture natin, kailangan natin i-drawing. So, i-drawing natin, ano? So, gawa lang tayo na, yan. Yan yung ating x-axis. And gawa rin tayo ng ating y-axis. Okay? So, here. So, let's call this point, yung intersection as 0, 0. And yung ating vertex is at 0, 0. So, dito yung vertex natin and opens downward, no? So, gawa tayo ng curve. This one. Yan. Okay? So, lagyan natin. So, ito yung kunyari ating parabola. And ang ating line. Line negative 1, no? Negative 1. Okay, wait lang. Angle 0 degrees. Yan. So, ito yung line negative 1, no? Or y equals negative 1. Yung nakuha nating plus or minus 3, ito yan. Yung coordinates niyan, since negative 1 yung line na yan, this is minus 3 and negative 1. Ito namang isa dito is positive 3 and negative 1. Okay? Ang kailangan daw nating isolve is the area bounded by this parabola. Yung parabola natin is x squared equals minus 9y. And this line, y equals negative 1. No? Yan. Kailangan natin kuhanin yung area ng parabola bounded by the line y equals negative 1. So, pwede itong isolve Siyempre, integral calculus gagamitin natin, ano? So, ganito. Ang kailangan natin is kuha tayo ng differential area o lagay tayo ng isang strip dito. Vertical strip. Okay? Yan, vertical strip. Isipin nyo na yung vertical strip na yan ay isang maliit lang na rectangle. Parang ganito. To solve for the area of the rectangle, kailangan natin ng base, kailangan natin ng height. The area of rectangle is base times height. Okay? Now, balik tayo dito. Ito yung ating strip. Maliit lang yan na rectangle. Ito yan. Okay? Yung base dyan, tawagin natin dx kasi nga maliit lang yung area. So, ang kailangan natin, sabihin natin, tawagin natin siya as differential area. So, kailangan natin dito yung width niya, no? Yung base. Then, ito naman, h, tawagin natin ito muna as y. Na? Y. Balik tayo dito sa ating rectangle. Let's say, for example, yung height ng rectangle is 2. Tapos, dito naman sa baba is 0. To get h is equal to 2 minus 0. Tama? Okay, teka lang. Sulat natin ng maayos. Okay, so to solve for h, we have 2 minus 0 or equal to 2. Okay? So, balik tayo dito sa ating strip. So, ang kailangan natin dito is the equation dito sa upper. Let's say, tawagin natin siyang y upper. Kung ano man yan. And dito sa baba, tawagin natin yung y lower. No? Y lower, yf. So, to get y is equal to y upper minus y lower. Parang dito lang. Yung ating upper is 2, lower is 0. Okay? Now, to solve for the differential area, so kailangan natin equation. Base times height, di ba? So, dx times, ano ba yung height? Y upper minus y lower. Or ayusin natin to as dA is equal to y upper y minus y lower multiply by dx. Okay? Now, yan, meron tayong equation. If I'm going to integrate both sides, integrate natin, no? So, integral of dA is a equals, yan, y upper minus y lower times the dx. Okay, now, ang kailangan natin is buong area, hindi lang yung differential area, no? So, kung maglalagay ako ng maraming strip dito, then pagsasama-samahin ko siya, diba? Yun yung purpose na integration, no? Sum. So, kumbaga meron akong small strip dito, yan lahat. Infinite strip, then i-add ko sila. So, makakukuha ko yung area. Okay? So, ang kailangan natin is limits from this point to this point. Parang ibig sabihin, isipin mo itong rectangle na to, no? Maglalakad siya from this to this. So, from minus 3 to positive 3. Okay. From minus 3 to positive 3. Yan. Pwede rin naman siya as dito muna sa kalahati. Symmetrical naman yan. Pwede mo siya gawin as from 0 to 3 yung limit. Pero yung area mo, ito lang yung nakuha mong area. You need to multiply it by 2. Or parang ganito. Integral of y upper minus y lower times the dx, limits from 0 to 3. Again, kalahati lang yung nakuha natin. Kailangan natin i-multiply by 2. And madalas, kapag ganito ang ginamit mong equation, mas madali siyang isolve. No? Mas madaling isolve. So, pwede mo rin siya isolve dito. Pero mas madali ito. Kasi nga, 0 na ito. Karaniwan kasi, pag y lower, pag substitute mo, nagsisiro na. No? Madalas ganon. Anyways, no? Pakita natin. paano ba ito i-solve? Ganito na lang. I-solve ko itong twice and gawin nyo itong limit from minus 3 to 3. Okay? Itong gagawin ko, yung twice nung area. So, area is equal to, rewrite ko lang, 0 to 3 ang limit. Y upper, ang y upper natin is ito, no? Yung parabola. Pero para makuha natin yung y upper, kailangan natin i-solve yung y in this equation. So, y is equal to x squared over negative 9. Okay? Oh, yes. So, yun yung ating y upper. So, x squared over negative 9. Yun naman, minus y lower. Ano ba yung y lower? Ang y lower natin is negative 1. Okay? So, minus 1. There. Then, multiply this by dx. Again, our limits from 0 to 3. Okay? Then, multiply by 2. Kasi nga, dalawang area yan, no? Tigkalahati. O, ito. 0 to 3 times 2. Bale. Okay? Now, pwede na tayong mag-integrate. So, area equals 2 times, ano to? X cubed over minus 3 times, or minus 9 times 3. No? Iyan. Then this one plus 1 na to, no? Or integral of dx as x. Limits 0 to 3. Okay. Now, pag substitute ng mga limit, unahin mo yung higher limit, yung 3, yung upper, no? Tapos, i-minus mo dito yung lower naman. Okay? So, we have A equals there to 2. Upper limit muna. So, we have 3 cubed over minus 27 plus 3. Okay? Then, minus yung lower limit. 0 cubed over minus 27 minus or plus 0. Okay? Wala na rin to. 0 na yan. Diba? Pero kung ginamit natin is minus 3 to 3, may value yan. Ito kasi mas madali, no? Okay. So, let's see. Simplify. So, we have A equals 2 times 3 cubed is 27 over minus 27 plus 3. Or this is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 3 is positive 2. Positive 2 times 2 equals 4. Area yan, so square units. So the area bounded by the curve and the line is 4 square units. Okay. To check, pwede itong i-check, no? Balik tayo dito sa ating parabola. Okay. So, para makuha yung area nito without using integration, no? Dapat alam natin yung formula ng ating parabola, which is 2/3 times the base times the height. Okay? Alin yung base? Ang base natin is ito. Ilang units yan? From 3 or negative 3 to 3, this is 6 units. Ano naman yung height? From this to this, ilan yan? 1. So, area is equal to 2/3 times base is 6, height is 1. So, we have A is equal to 12 over 3 or 4 square units. Yan. So, yan yung checking natin. Mas madali. Pwede yan sa board exam. Okay? So anyways, integration tayo. So kailangan natin solve using integral calculus. Now, I want you to do this problem. Try to solve using this equation, no? Limits minus 3 to 3. And let's see if you will arrive at the same answer, 4 square units. Okay? So, yan. Okay, number 2. What is the area bounded by the curve y squared equals x and the line x minus 4 equals 0? Okay? So, solution. Equation is y squared equals x and x minus 4 equals 0. So, x is 4. Substitute. So, we have y squared equals 4. Therefore, y is equal to plus or minus 2. Okay? So, itong parabola na to is opening positive x, correct? Yes. So, drawing lang tayo ng ating graph, no? Ng ating parabola and the line. Sige. Okay, saan yung ating vertex? Vertex is at 0, 0. Opens positive x. Okay? So, kuha lang tayo ng ating parabola. Ellipse to actually, no? Pero, yung ating drawing nito ellipse. Pero kuha lang tayo ng half. Ng konti, no? Yan, para mukha siyang parabola. Yan. Okay? Then, line x equals 4. Kailangan natin ng line. So, let's assume na ito ay x equals minus 4 or positive 4. So, this line is x equals 4. Pwede kang bumilang dyan. 1, 2, 3, and 4. X equals 4. And itong point of intersection na to, yung dalawa na yan, the coordinates are 4 and 2. Okay? And dito sa baba is 4 and negative 2. Okay? Now, again, masosolve natin to either way, no? Pwedeng kunin mo yung half or kunin mo yung whole. O kaya naman, pwede mo siyang isolve okay ka dito ng strip, vertical strip, okay? Horizontal strip this time, no? Horizontal. Yan. Kunin natin ang horizontal strip. Yun. Sample lang, horizontal, no? Pero pwede mo siyang isolve ng vertical. Hindi mo mabago equation yan, no? Yan, pwede yan. Kung gusto mo, i-try mo yan isolve ng vertical strip. Ang gagawin ko naman is horizontal strip. Pwede mo siyang isolve from limits minus 2 to 2 or if you want, or I want, gusto ko half lang then multiply by 2. So, ang limits ko will be from 0, from dito, to here. So, 2. 0 to 2. Times 2 na lang area. Okay? So, kung yung horizontal strip na yan, siyempre, ang thickness niyan will be, hindi na dx, no? dy. So, itong, yung thickness na yan is called dy. So, this time naman, para makuha natin yung length nito, kailangan ko ng x right, no? Minus x left. Para halimbawa, ito dito is, let's say, 2. Parang ito. Para makuha natin yung length na yan, let's say ito ay 2, ito naman ay 0. Diba? Para makuha natin yung value ng length na yan, let's say x, we have 2 minus 0. So, dito sa ating differential area, itong strip na to, we need the equation from this point here and dito, equation dito. So, meron tayong x right and x left. Ito yung right, ito yung left. Okay, paano yun? Itong dito, yung equation natin dito, yan, is x equals 4. Tama? Yan yung ating x right. Yung ating x left, ito yung equation ng ating parabola. And our parabola is y squared equals x. So, yung x dito is y squared. Yes? So, to get the differential area, that is x, ito yung x, no? X is 4, this one, x right. So, 4 minus yung nasa left, which is y squared. Okay? Then, para makakuha tayo ng differential area, we need to multiply this by the thickness or yung ating, yung dy, no? Yan, yung ating, kumbaga, base times height, ito yung, pwede mo tawag yung base, depende, no, orientation. Parang ganito. So, ito yung ating, tawagin natin itong base, ito naman yung height. It's up to you, no? Pwedeng h or b. Bahala ka, no? Basta yan, imumultiply mo, area yan. Malinaw? Okay. So, integrate. Pag in-integrate natin yan, we have a equals 4. Okay, sulat ko lang. 4 minus y squared dy. Okay, squared dy. So, ano limits? Ang limits natin is from this to this. Kalahati lang, no? Parang palakarin natin itong line, itong vertical, itong horizontal strip from here to here, pataas. Okay? So, ang limit natin is, ito 0 to, no? 0, 0 yan. So, 0, 2, 2. So, doon tayo titingin sa y. Okay? Then, kalahati lang yan, we need to multiply this by 2. Or kung gusto mo, limit mo from minus 2 to positive 2. Kung saan madali, no? Pwede mo siyang isolve doon. Okay? So, yan na. So, let's integrate this. A is equal to 2 times, what is the integral of 4 dy? 4y. What is the integral of y squared minus y cubed over 3? Limits, 0 to 2. Okay? Yes. So, okay, substitute na natin yung upper limit. So, we have 2 times 4 times 2 minus 2 raised to 3 over 3. Okay? Minus lower limit 0. Yan, 0. 4 times 0, 0. Okay, so 0 na to, no? Y cube or 0 raised to 3 is 0. So, hindi na kailangan isulat. Pero kung ginamit mo is minus 2, yung lower limit, may value yan. Okay? So, mas madali ito. Tama? Okay. Simplify. So, we have A is equal to 2 times 8 minus 2 times 2. Then, times 2. Ilan yun? 8 din, no? 8 over 3. There. So, we have here 2 times, so 3. So, we have 24 minus 8. So, we have 2. Ilan to? 24 minus 8, 16. Okay, so the area is equal to 32 over 3 square units. Area yan, no? So don't forget this, yung square units. Kung naka-millimeter yan, square millimeter. Kung naka-inches, square inches. So, sa answer nyo, sa final answer, huwag nyo kalimutan ilagay itong square units. Lagyan nyo ng square units kung wala nakalagay na unit. Square units. Okay? So, to check, pwede mo ito i-check no? Again, kagaya ginawa natin kanina, that the area is 2/3 base height. Checking lang to, no? Yan. So, A is equal to 2/3. Ano yung base? Sabihin natin ito yung base. Yan. Okay, ang base natin is from here to this point. So, minus 2 to 2. So, ilan yan? 4 units yan, no? 4 units. And ito naman, ilan to? 4. Okay, 4. From 0 to 4. So, 4 units yan. 4 units. So, ang base natin is 4. The height is 4. So, we have 16 times 2. We have 32 over 3 is square units. Same answer. So, tama. No? Tama yung ginawa natin na integration. Yes? Yes. O, yan yung ating final answer. Okay, I want you to solve these two problems. What is the area bounded by the curve? Y squared equals 4x and x squared equals 4y. And the other one, number 4, find the area bounded by the curve. 5y squared equals 16x and the curve y squared equals 8x minus 24. Sundan nyo lang yung ating yung ginawa kanina. Masosolve nyo to. No? Try to solve gamit kayo ng vertical or horizontal strip or gamitin nyo pareho and tingnan nyo kung ano maging result. Okay? So sa next video, solve natin itong problems na to. Okay? Yes.